Dahil birthday ni Ellie nung nakaraan, so nag-wish siya ng pet na bird. So binilang ko po siya yan. So binilang ko siya ng pet na bird. What can you say, Ate Ellie? Ate Ellie, what can you say about the pet?
Thank you to the Gwen for my pet bird.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you surprised?
Yes.
So what is the name of the bird?
The blue one's name is Bubbles, and the black and white striped one name is Purple Berry. So these are my pet birds. They love to eat and they love to swing on the circle here. Hi guys, today Tita Gwen brought my pet birds and show me, take a look. This is a pet cage for a bird, and welcome to my pet birds. So the blue one's name is Bubbles because it is white and blue, and the white black striped one name is Stripesy, and she has a purple belly too. That means they are both girls. This is called a zebra parrot. Zebra bird. And this is called blue light striped bird. It produces the whole entire body for eating. It also catches its prey without trying to get some fish in the water. And this is how you bring your own pet bird. Well, thank you for coming and watching the video of the pet bird. Subscribe to ElliesMarmor.com and hit the bell button and subscribe. Bye guys.